Hey everyone, it's MKBHD here, and today we're diving into the Dell Precision 5690 workstation. This thing is a beast for creatives, and it all starts with the design. The Precision 5690 is sleek and stylish, with a minimal footprint that doesn't scream workstation. But don't let that fool you. This machine packs some serious power under the hood, ready to tackle any creative challenge you throw at it. We're talking about the latest Intel-registered Core trademark Ultra 9 processors, specifically designed for demanding creative workloads. These processors are built for speed and efficiency, so you can edit 4K videos, render complex 3D models, and multitask like a pro without breaking a sweat. And with the Integrated Neural Processing Unit, NPU, the Precision 5690 is ready to take your AI-powered creative workflows to the next level. The Intel-registered Core trademark Ultra 9 processors are the heart and soul of the Precision 5690. These aren't your average processors, they're built for serious creative firepower. Imagine editing 8K raw footage without lag or rendering complex 3D animations in a fraction of the time. That's the kind of performance we're talking about. But it's not just about raw power. The Ultra 9 processors are also incredibly efficient, thanks to their advanced architecture and intelligent power management. This means you get more done on a single charge, and your workstation stays cooler and quieter even under heavy workloads. Now let's talk about graphics. The Precision 5690 doesn't disappoint, packing the powerful NVIDIA RTX 5000 Ada generation graphics card. This GPU is a game-changer for creatives, delivering stunning visuals and blazing fast performance for any visual task. Whether you're working on high-resolution video editing, 3D modeling, or animation, the RTX 5000 will blow you away with its real-time ray tracing capabilities and AI-powered rendering enhancements. And with up to 64 GB of DDR5 memory, you can seamlessly handle even the most demanding creative projects. Section 4. Keeping cool under pressure. Advanced thermal management. With all this power, you might be thinking, doesn't this thing get hot? And that's a fair question, but Dell has you covered with their advanced thermal management system. The Precision 5690 is designed to stay cool and quiet even when you're pushing it to the limit. It features a dual-fan cooling system that efficiently dissipates heat, ensuring optimal performance without thermal throttling, so you can focus on your creative flow, not the temperature of your workstation. Section 5. Power and endurance, long-lasting battery life. Now let's talk about battery life. We all know how frustrating it is to be tethered to a power outlet, especially when inspiration strikes on the go. The Precision 5690 addresses this with its significantly improved battery life compared to its predecessors. Dell has optimized the power consumption of the processor, graphics card, and display, allowing you to work or create for extended periods without interruption. This means you can take your creative projects on the go with confidence, knowing that you have the power and endurance to make your vision a reality. Section 6. The creative's secret weapon: AI and efficiency. The Dell Precision 5690 workstation isn't just about raw power, it's about intelligent performance. The AI-enhanced features powered by the integrated NPU are a game-changer for creative workflows. Imagine automating repetitive tasks, upscaling images with incredible detail, or even having your workstation learn your creative preferences and adapt accordingly. That's the power of AI at your fingertips. And when you combine that with the power efficiency of the Intel Ultra 9 processor and the long-lasting battery life, you have a workstation that's not just powerful, but also incredibly versatile and adaptable to your creative needs.